Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Err SSL Protocol Error in the Chrome browser. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. So I'll just share to you a very simple solution for this. So in the Windows search bar, type Internet Options. Then that will appear under the best match. Just simply click on that. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you have the General Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, and the Advanced tab. Click on the Content tab. Here you'll find this option, Clear SSL State. Click on that. The SSL cache was successfully cleared. Click on OK, and then click on the Advanced tab, and then scroll down and under Under the security, you'll find this option, Use SSL 3.0. Simply check this box. Again, simply check this box. SSL 3.0 and use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And after that, I suggest simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, you have to launch again the application, and then the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.